Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to trace all these numbers from 1 to 20. So let us get started with the color names. This is yellow color. This is light blue color. This is purple color. This is light green color. This is black color. This is brown color. This is dark pink color. This is red color. This is orange color. This is dark blue color. This is dark green color. So we will start coloring all these numbers. This is 1, number 1. This is 2, number 2. Number 2. This is 3, number 3. This is 4, number 4. This is 5, number 5. This is 6, number 6. This is 7, number 7. This is 8, number 8. This is 9, number 9. This is 10, number 10. This is 11, number 11. This is 12, number 12. This is 13, number 13. This is 14, number 14. This is 15, number 15. This is 16, number 16. This is 17, number 17. This is 18, number 18. This is 19, number 19. This is 20, number 20. I hope you like tracing all these numbers. So let us read all these numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids for coloring this with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.